What you're looking at here is an Emerson Petal. Unlike the one you may have seen before, this one is an actual labeled Emerson, not Air Design. Unlike the other one, this one is 3-speed. As you can see, it has an OEM Emerson 4-inch globe fitter. And since the round globe is all but too natural for it, I kind of decided I'm going to add it to this fan. When I got the fan, the canopy and downrod were missing, so I kind of just, you know, used what I had. Anyway, let's now see what it does. Starting on low. Low speed is nice. Okay, now let's go to medium. It's already starting to move a good amount of air. Not too high. It does wobble a bit, but with plastic blades that's kind of inevitable. Better than my other one. Perhaps maybe the main capacitor is drifting. Another fun little detail about this fan is the Emerson fob. It's not quite what it seems. As you can see, it actually has little reverse stickers on it. Now we're going to reverse it. So yes, it has a reverse pull chain. Now, running the fan on reverse is utterly silly, because the blades are contoured, somewhat curved. Running the fan in reverse really does nothing. It moves very little to no air. So, not much of a point. But I thought, hey, you might as well make it reversible, right? And I think the reverse pull chain was replaced because it has two off positions. Watch it speed up again, this time back in downdraft. By the way, this fan dates to 1993. Turning it back off. When I was a kid, I went to a lighting store and saw some Emerson paraphernalia sitting around. Showed a couple of, it's like some kind of display type thing, and it had a couple models pictured, and one of them was the pedal, and I was like, what is that weird thing? Why am I not seeing this? I started going to lighting stores in around 2000 when I was like maybe, yeah, 2000, and this fan was discontinued in 1999, so it was nowhere to be found. So I was like, I was kind of disappointed not to find it. So yeah. When I got it, the bearings were a bit hissy, so I oiled them. I also replaced the flywheel since the original one was a little warpy. So yeah, this is one of Emerson's contemporary models of the 90s. It is outdoor rated, by the way. So it's a very interesting fan. And there you have it, a 3-speed Emerson Petal with the optional light.